Freeze reacts to Majek Fashek's performance at Coza. Controversial media personality, Daddy Freeze has condemned the performance of Regga musician, Majek Fashek at Commonwealth of Zion Assembly, Coza. Freeze said it made no sense for a secular artist to perform in such gathering as Christian altars are supposed to be sacrosanct. On his Instagram page he wrote, "I am still searching for the sense in this. I am a huge Majek fan, but do I want to see him perform in a church? How did we get here? Maybe I'm wrong, but I thought Christian altars are supposed to be sacrosanct and can a secular musician like Majek perform in a mosque? Have you ever seen an artiste like Majek perform in a Buddhist or Hindu temple? Can Majek perform inside the Okija shrine? Or the Sapona or Alala shrine? If other religions value their altars and keep them sacred, is it out of place to suggest we do the same? We need to start asking ourselves these questions, and we need to start asking them now." However, an eyewitness told Daily Post that Majek Fashek was not expected to perform but was led to the altar after he came out to be born again. On receiving salvation, the reggae musician was allowed to perform his track Redemption Song after General Overseer of Coza, Pastor Bio Dunfatoy Inbo prayed for him. This happened at Coza Christmas Carol service.